We are enjoying another bright day out there, but it does come with more wind.
Yeah, a lot of wind and some pretty cold temperatures. Are struggling to get back into the 40s. I think we'll get there today, but maybe the last time we see 40 until maybe Thursday. It gets even colder as that cold air continues to pour in over the next day or so. Here's that pre-dawn imagery. Now much of the morning showing at least some sunshine, but we really started with extra cloud cover and a big drop in temperatures. We started the morning in the 50s. That was before sunrise. Then just before sunrise, that cold air really began to pour in. The winds have been unrelenting since then. That's time lapse from our Lewis Donato camera. Right now here in Austin, looking at blue sky overhead, a rough breeze, a blustery, chilly day. 38 degrees right now here in Rochester. Meanwhile, the northwest side of the city feels a bit colder with those 16-mile-per-hour winds. Wind chill 26, air pressure rising 29.68 inches of mercury. Winds again howling out of the west behind a cold front that swept through the area right around 2 o'clock this morning. 35-mile-per-hour wind right now in Rochester, 31 in Clarion, Mankato 35, and 41 in Marshall. So a lot of wind out there, really stirring things up. Temperatures are cold, but made to feel much even more uncomfortable with those winds. 38 right now at the airport in Rochester. Plainview 38 degrees, Mason City 40 and 41 in Winona. Plenty of sunshine now though, between those large gaps in the clouds, between those clouds around the area. 38 right now in Rochester, 27 the current. Feels like temperature, air pressure rising rapidly. So windy, cold day today. Tonight, a cold one, especially chilly. We're looking at temperatures dropping into the lower half of the 20s. And then tomorrow, not quite as windy, but still very chilly. We're looking at high temperatures barely getting above freezing heading into the afternoon hours. We really won't see much improvement until really Thursday, and then Friday looks to be when the warmth really begins to come in. Thursday looks actually like a rather pleasant day, just not as warm as some recent days for us. Some sun and some clouds around the area. The front has moved down to the east. A couple of showers well north of us and in parts of Nebraska. We're mainly dry here. We'll stay dry actually for several more days. Next rain chance we have looks to be even beyond the upcoming weekend. High pressure coming in out of northwest Canada will settle in, but the pressure gradient between that and the departing storm system generating these powerful winds we're still feeling today. 46 right now in Des Moines. Ahead of that front, look at the 60s and 70s. Chicago 63, St. Louis 71. Northwest of us, it is a whole lot colder. Minot now 20 degrees this hour, and it's 36 in Rapid City, South Dakota. Some sunshine today. We'll enjoy that throughout the day. 43 by 4 o'clock overall this afternoon. High temperature around 44. And then we see temperatures really take a nosedive with a slight reduction in wind speed, clearing skies as high pressure gets closer and bottoming out in the lower 20s overnight with, again, a little more of a palatable breeze. Not quite as miserable, but it's going to be definitely noticeable with that colder temperature regime overnight. For today, some sun, some clouds, clearing skies, full-scale clearing tonight. In fact, will really set us up for a cold one. Temperatures in lower 20s, and tomorrow a few passing clouds again, so not completely sunny. Tomorrow looking like overall a better day, though. Still upper 30s for highs, though. That is definitely colder than the seasonal average. And then winds really go light tomorrow night and remain calm through Thursday. It'll be back to the 40s for us for Thursday with just a gentle breeze. And then a breezier yet on Friday as a warm front approaches from the west, and we get a nice little taste of warmth Friday heading into the upcoming weekend. So big trough of cold air aloft settling in right now, but the weekend does offer a nice ridge of warmer air coming in, and that sets us up for a much warmer weekend. 60s and even 70s. We have not done that officially this year, but it looks like Sunday could be our golden day, Easter Sunday. Perfect timing there to have the first 70-degree reading. Yesterday was the warmest day thus far, 68. We may do that a couple of times this weekend. 40s across the map today. Zumbrota 42. Austin 43, Charles City 46, and Forest City 44. Occasional sun and clouds, west winds at times 30 miles per hour. That wind chill never getting above freezing, really not by much if it does. 21 tonight, mainly clear, not quite as windy, and then still a fairly brisk breeze tomorrow around 20 miles per hour. 37 for your Wednesday. Sunnier, lighter winds on Thursday, and then the weekend looks fantastic. Sunny with mild weather. A couple of showers move back into the weather picture early next week.
Spring break has a lot of variety for the students that are off this week.
Well, there's something for everyone, Jess. We like to make everybody happy.